Hey folks! Here I am, Екатерина Пряникова. To understand all the points, you'd better slow down video a bit. That's why all my buttons pressed toward peculiar sky. Feel free to ask question or give suggestion in the comment section. Important to know creation some footage as requires some Python plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with the help of Muse, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. On my second channel Machine Footage you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.